Hi guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 fragrances for the gym. So these fragrances are not in any particular order. I love all of them. If you want to see my top 5 fragrances for the gym, please keep on watching. So my first fragrance is one of my most used fragrances, and it's Dolce Gabbana Light Blue. And this is probably one of my favorite summer fragrances of all time. It's just a really nice fresh scent that smells so beautiful, especially in the warmer weather. And that's kind of the reason why I recommend this for the gym, because it's a really fresh scent. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of this bottle, and I love to keep this fragrance in my handbag when I go to the gym or pretty much anywhere. I think it's just like the perfect versatile fragrance. It's really nice for the hot weather and the warmer months, but I love it for the gym because it has a really nice citrusy scent to it. It has some apple in there as well, some lemon. So if you like the combination of those two, you'll definitely enjoy this. And not only is it nice and fresh, I find it to be very kind of feminine as well. So it's a really nice fragrance for the gym, and I love this one. So the next fragrance I have is for all the fruity floral lovers out there, and it's from Burberry, and it's their fragrance called Sheer. And first of all, I love this bottle. It's so cute. It's nice and pink, and it has the traditional Burberry print on it. And what I love about this fragrance is it's very fresh, and it has that kind of soap and clean vibe to it. So when you spray this fragrance, you feel very refreshed. And so this fragrance does have orange, it has pineapple, it has mandarin, so it has a lot of nice fruits in there to give you that really refreshing, kind of bubbly fragrance. That also, it's a very energizing fragrance. When you spray this on, it kind of gives you that energy and puts you in the mood to go to the gym. And I think this fragrance is a very nice multi-purpose fragrance. Not only do I like to wear this to the gym, I also like to wear this fragrance during the day. So it's just the perfect kind of, I think, spring summer fragrance as well. So I love to wear this fragrance in all hot weather and kind of spring summer, and that's why I think, again, this one is a perfect one for the gym. It's definitely a feminine smelling fragrance, and also it's definitely not offensive, which makes it perfect for the gym. And one tip I like to do is I buy these fragrances in the smaller bottles. So this one is in the 30 ml, and I like to buy it in the smaller bottles so then I can carry it around in my handbag. And if I'm going to the gym or to Pilates class, I always have a little fragrance with me. The next fragrance I have is from, you might be surprised, but it's from Zara, and this is their White Jasmine scent. So this is a beautiful floral scent. It smells so nice. This fragrance is a fruity floral fragrance. It gives you that very green vibe, so it's very refreshing. It's also, I find it to be very elegant. So this is a fragrance you could wear during the day anywhere. It has notes of white jasmine, of course. It also has honeysuckle, and it has some woodsy notes as well. So it's a really nice gym fragrance. I find this fragrance that I like to wear this one in the cooler months at the gym, because this fragrance, I think, out of all of the fragrances that I'm sharing with you today, is the kind of more, I would say, sweeter fragrance, even though this is definitely not sweet. It's just the more of the kind of sweeter fragrance out of the 5, and it has a little bit more warmth to it out of the 5 as well. So this is a beautiful fragrance, and I definitely recommend this one. So my next recommendation for the gym is Missoni fragrance. And first of all, let me tell you, I dropped this bottle on my tiles just 5 minutes ago, and it did not crack at all. So I have to say, this is extremely thick glass. This has an amazing durability in terms of the bottle. The glass is very strong. But the reason why I love to wear this fragrance to the gym is because, again, it's that very refreshing kind of citrusy fragrance. And out of all of the fragrances, this one has a little bit more kind of musk to it, or a little bit more pepper in it. This fragrance has some really beautiful notes in it. I think even the bottle looks like it's the perfect gym or workout fragrance. It has blood orange, it has citrus fruits, it also has pink pepper in there, so that's what gives that little bit of kind of spice to it. So out of all of the fragrances, this is the most woodsy of them all. So this has a lot of wood and musk notes in it. So this is a really nice fragrance. This could definitely take you into the warmer months as well at the gym. It also has the note of pear, which is really nice. And it's just a really nice kind of well-rounded fragrance for the gym that, again, is not too over the top. It is long lasting as well though, so that's really great. It's definitely not offensive either for the gym. And for my last recommendation, I had to include a luxury fragrance for all of those luxury fragrance lovers out there, and this is the original Tiffany Co fragrance. And this fragrance to me is so beautiful. It's one of those fragrances that you definitely be your signature scent. But the reason why I like to wear this one to the gym is because it's a really inoffensive fragrance that is fresh. It has notes of citrus in there. It has lemon. There's a little bit of musk. And it also smells really expensive as well. I think it's a fragrance that you could definitely have as your signature scent. And this fragrance, of course, it's very luxurious. It does have that powderiness to it as well, which makes it very unique. So it's perfect for the gym. It's not going to be too over the top. It's not going to be too offensive, and it's just a really beautiful floral fragrance. So guys, those were my favorite fragrances for the gym that I absolutely love. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your favorite fragrance for the gym is, or everyday fragrance, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.